The purpose of an MPEG transport stream and the equipment that supports it, it's simple. We want to move the data from point A to point B with perfect data integrity. How do we know if we've done that? What tools do we have that will let us see that our network is delivering that transport stream properly to the destination? Now, if we look at a typical sort of environment, we might start with a baseband source, an MPEG encoder developing a transport stream. It could go through routing. Here we show it going through an IP transmitter to launch it through the internet, a receiver at the other end that delivers it to modulation and transmission over the air, finally to an MPEG decoder in a viewer's home. Now, the output of that MPEG encoder, we would need to do full MPEG analysis. And there are many excellent MPEG analyzers that do just that. They look in detail at the content of the MPEG stream. They look to see that the program allocation table and the program map tables are correct, that there aren't any missing PIDs and so forth. They prove that it was constructed correctly. But it's kind of an awkward tool to use to prove that it is being transmitted correctly along the path. Because if we look at this path, once we've built the stream, we don't want to change it. We just want to deliver it, and we want to know that our transport path has perfect data integrity. How can we analyze that? Well, the engineers at Ensemble Designs have been thinking and looking at this question. And we've developed the mechanism in our Avenue 4500 series MPEG stream processor to first insert a CRC at the beginning of the path, and then as it progresses through what could be multiple links in the transmission path, to monitor it along the way. And finally, to measure it at the output. It will prove the data integrity of that path. And one of the benefits here is that the CRC mechanism it's agnostic about the content itself. It doesn't care whether it's MPEG-2 or MPEG-4, H.264. It doesn't care if there is private data being carried. It doesn't care if there are unreferenced PIDs. It doesn't care if there is encrypted content, what have you. It simply proves that the data at the output exactly matches what was at the input. That is the proof of the performance of the MPEG transport stream. That's the purpose of that path. And our CRC mechanism will let you prove that it's working.